Good evening and welcome back to ALCHEMOTO, your dedicated YouTube channel for Harley-Davidson bits and pieces, rides out, modifications and anything else to do with your Harley-Davidson, especially 48. But tonight I'm just going to show you a little bit of garage series tonight, and I forgot a new modification for your H.T Leads. Now I've already had the mod on the H.T Leads for a while, but I found a supplier that does some better stuff to modify a H.T Lead. So without keeping you in the dark too long, we'll show you what we're on about. So here we go. As you can see, I've got the side mount coil kit. The bracket on this I made myself, and usually your coil on your standard 48 or your Iron 883 or in a lot of Sportsters will be up here where the plastic bit is with your wiring going through. For any of you that have modified and done away with the plastic, done a tank lift or anything like that, and gone for the side mount coil relocation kit, your H.T leads will be here. And for that mod, because you can see the leads, why not modify them? You can change the colour of those to whatever you want. Now, what I found is searching many a shop online or wherever, auction sites, these will only come in standard colours. These are Screaming Eagle leads, 10mm leads, and underneath they are red. You can get them in orange, I think, and black. But apart from your standard colours, your blues, your yellows, your greens, your pinks, or whatever, it's hard to get something. I can't find a gold or a copper colour. So what I found is, now these have been on for about, I don't know, 18 months, 2 years now, that this is actually PET cable, PET cable, expandable, usually used for wiring in computer cases for modifying and protecting your wiring that way. So yeah, PET, I'll put a link up on that as well. I found after searching, now that's some of the stuff I've had left over for a while. It's supposed to be gold and black, but it's more like a sort of yellow colour. Didn't really suit my needs. And what I've found now is this, which is more of a shinier gold and black, a little bit more rich cut in colour. And put these side by side, very similar, but you can see that one is going to be a lot better on the bike. Okay, and when I say expandable, when you just push it in like that, you can see how it expands. So you can push that over your H.T leads and then it'll grip it nice and tight and neat. So let's take the H.T lead off and give it a go. So we'll start with that one. And then we have to pull the end caps off. Okay, as easy as that. And then you can see how the other one just slips off. Okay, so we've taken the old one off. There's the new one. But because we're compressing it, we need to make sure your length before you cut it is enough to go over. So these are 10mm leads, so we're going to expand it a little bit. Just give enough room for expansion. We know that the old one that we took off was that length there. Give it a little touch more so she's nice and tight. Take a pair of scissors, cut off the end, take a lighter because you need to burr these ends over now. Like so, stop them spreading. A bit of melted plastic. You can see then how she expands. That over your H.T Lead. And as simple as pushing it down. He says. There you go. Back on with the cap. If you can, you need to try and get those fibres underneath the rubber. It's easier said than done. Give you a neater look. Okay, a little bit of red showing at that end, just push that up. And there you go. So there's the old one. Some of you probably say you prefer that now, but you can see it's more of a goldy colour, so it matches the bike a little bit more. The older one was more of a sort of a creamy colour. So those two against each other, I'm quite happy with that. So we'll go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so we've popped that on the bike. And there's the old one to the left. And as you can see, the new one on the right now stands out a lot more. Matches the bike, matches the tank work. Okay. Brilliant. So let's do the other one. So here we go again. Always easier to pull the flat one off the straight one and not the 90 degree. Okay, just like that. And there's the old one. Just slide that off. Again, use that as a guide. Because she's stretched. Need to go just a touch more, so we'll go for there. Same again, burr over the ends. Just straighten that end off. Now I have seen these done in a braided sheath in steel with a plastic shroud over the end. Price of those is about £30 per lead, so £60, whatever that is in dollars, is a lot of money just for your H.T Lead Mod, where this under £5 UK pounds, so very, very cheap, and that comes in a metre. There's a bit left over, there's enough to do 2 bikes there. So all in all, for the price of it, it's a very good mod. Again, you have to search really to find decent suppliers. This is called Carbon Gold. And this company there does a variation in colours, but they are far superior to the first, call it the test ones that I bought a while ago. And it took a while to find another company that actually did the colour that I wanted. There we go. So a couple of mil at that end. Push it nice and tight against that one. Back on with a cap. Again, try and force that underneath the rubber. Close it all up. Like that. And there we go. So for a 10-minute job, how to transform your HT leads. More of a custom look. So we'll go ahead and put that one on. Just make sure that's closed up so we can't see the red. There we go. Your custom gold HT leads. Brilliant. And we now have the customized ALCHEMOTO YouTube. And also what we've done this evening, we've changed the side decals from the cream ones that were on before, which were like that. And now we have gone for the metallic copper. So overall, matches the bike. You go on both sides. Well, there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed watching and how you can transform your otherwise boring HT leads into something special just for a few pounds. Pay sometimes just to look around, sit back and think, hang on a minute, that's something I'd like, but they want a lot of money for it. Look for an alternative. So with doing that, I hope I've shown you guys something tonight, and it's something you can follow me to do, save yourself some money. That's what ALCHEMOTO is all about. Thanks for watching. If this is the first time watching, please subscribe. Plenty more to come over winter. And if the weather holds, there's a big ride out tomorrow, so you may catch that soon. Keep watching. ALCHEMOTO out.